here on the left, all the stuff that I access most frequently. Then I have all of my work applications, all of my media and my podcasts that I like to listen to, information about travel, so when I'm looking for my next vacation, some recipes, all of my section on news, and of course games. One of the things that I actually really like about Windows 8 is the integration with things like SkyDrive and also with Xbox Live. So this actually is this is my avatar, and it integrates directly with my Xbox Live account as well. So let me show you some of these really cool applications. One of the applications that I really like is this application called People. So as you can see up here on the top right hand side, this brings in all of my contacts from my SkyDrive account. It also has all of my Facebook contacts, LinkedIn, as well as all of my contacts from Google, and it brings them all into one place. If I just pinch, I can easily search as well. It also brings in all of the feeds from everybody's social networking sites, and I can track that all in one place. And if I want to do an update, I can do an update to any of my social networks here as well. It also brings in all of the photos. So anything that I post to SkyDrive, if I take a picture on my phone and it uploads to SkyDrive, it also pulls it down to my laptop or my tablet as well. And it also includes things like Flickr and anything that I have on my local desktop. Let me show you a couple of other cool applications that I like. I like to listen to podcasts. This is a great podcast application. I've subscribed to a couple here. I like to listen to NPR, Planet Money, and This American Life. Another really cool application is the travel application. So if I'm looking to go on my next vacation, let's see, I think I'd like to go and visit Istanbul. Great photography, information about Istanbul, also photos. And the other thing is it has this really cool thing called panoramic view. So if I want to find my next vacation, I can go to anywhere that I want, check out information, check out a panoramic view. As you can see, very fast, very fluid, responsive, pretty cool. One of my favorite applications. Another cool application that I like, recipe application. I'm not a very good cook, so this is really helpful. So I can take this tablet into the kitchen. I'm going to choose chicken and rice. It's a beginner, which is about my capability. It tells me everything that I need. And then it keeps the ingredients on the left and shows me step by step how to make the dish. Another cool one, because I'm probably going to need a drink after we get out of here tonight, is the cocktail application. So I think I'm in the mood for some vodka, and a bocce ball sounds pretty good to me, and it tells me what I need. And you know what? I'm going to send it to my friend, so I'm going to use the right motion here, and I'm going to share it. And I'm going to email it to my friend. I can share it on my Facebook page and tell him this is the cocktail that I want tonight when I get out from work. So in terms of, as you can see, Windows 8 is really reimagined, and it brings in a lot of the fun aspects that you're probably not used to seeing on a Microsoft Windows interface. But the other thing is, of course, we all have to do some work. And so it has the Windows 7 Office environment that you're familiar with and comfortable with today that works great with a mouse and keyboard. So the tablet works great from a touch perspective, but it also works great with a mouse and keyboard. So when you need to actually do some work, it has all of those capabilities out of the box as well. Another really cool thing I wanted to show you is the search capability. So I just start typing. I'm going to type Taiwan, if I spell it correctly. And I'm going to scroll down here. Oops, excuse me. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tell it that I want to search in the context of, where has travel gone? Travel. And it automatically does the search in that context and pulls up information on Taiwan. So if I go back to the start screen, this is how I manage all these applications. If I want to move these groups, I can just pull and I can move it over. If I want to rename a group, I can just rename it right here. If I want to move a tile around, I can just pick it up, I can just move it into a different group very, very easily. And the other thing that I can also do is, if I want to multitask, let's say I'm going to look at some photos in here, I can actually pull in another application on the right-hand side and multitask with multiple applications on the same screen, which is pretty cool as well. The other thing is, you'll see this is a very personalized interface for me. Windows 8 does support multiple user profiles, so you can see Todd has a profile here as well. So if he logs in, he's going to get his own customized experience as well. So thank you very much. That's my brief overview of the Windows release preview. It's available for download. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great time at COMPUTEX.